go on killer. 3 minutes pa guys after dito. After 3 minutes is pwede na tayong makalaro. So wait lang muna tayo dito. Okay. Ano kaya pwedeng gawin dito guys? Watch lang muna tayo dito sa killer guys. Sa killer. Ay, nandito guys si ano guys. Ilikfidan ka. Ha? Di kita maintindihan be.
So here we are, in front of all of our loved ones. Truth be told, I need all of them here because I need to know that none of this is a dream. That this angel standing before me really is mine.
Si Cody.
And somehow,
So, mag-ikot-ikot tayo guys sa house. Sa mga house dito guys. Let's go.
the day that you came down and raised
1 minute after guys. Makakalaro na tayo. May ano guys. May merry-go-round. Let's go be. Puchang galang. Excited mo be. Train, pot. Ang galing, no? Umiikot, kaso ang bagal po siyang gala. Ayoko na, 45. So, ito na, guys. Malapit na. I'm Harvey guys. Nakalabas na si Harvey. Intermission yarn. Dito na sila oh. Ang dami na namin. Ang saya dito guys pag marami kayo.
humans and fur babies alike. Because I've often imagined what you would look like as a lola. Panigurado, maganda. I can't wait to find out for myself.
Let's go. Malapit na be. Mga 5 seconds.
Dahil narinig ko ng iyong matamis na sagot. At excited na ako na finally, official na.
Let's go guys. Maghanap tayo ng location sa pinakamaganda be.
I love you.
Diyan sa Happy Neighborhood. Kasi dyan ko na ano yung takasan guys. Alam ko dyan ko nasan yung takasan. Let's go. Sino kaya yung killer? Ay, shit. Bakit ako yung killer, be? Changgala. Excited pa naman ako. Bakit ako? Changgala. Tos, matagal na naman to, be. Matagal.
I vow not just to you, but also to your mom, and most especially to your dad, Tito Bill. I will keep my promise to you during his final moments here on earth. And I will be
Alam mo, nag-reconnect. Puchang wala. Matagal natin nag-hintay. Tapos nagre-reconnect lang. Mag-reconnect na lang tayo guys. Paig na lang tayo kasi mabait naman tayo. Putang ka lang. Tagal ko inintay, tapos nag-reconnect lang. Ah! So, let's go na, be. Ang iingay dito, be. Ay, nako. Ang tagal mo, be. Tapos nag-reconnect ka lang pala. Almost 5 minutes ako naghintay, we. 4 minutes, 3 minutes. Ano ba yan? Tapos, nagre-reconnect ka lang. Aray mo! Bakit? Barak sa tanong. Abay na ito. Bisan. Someone like you.